Hey, good Monday afternoon, everybody. Thank you, as always, for being here with us on Fox Weather. Right now, it's 4 o'clock on the East Coast, 1 p.m. in the West. I'm Ian Oliver, and this is Fox Weather Now. That is the blizzard of 2026, a storm that just exploded in intensity late evening through the overnight hours. It's put down, which we can comfortably say, generational numbers. The snow produced by this storm up into the Providence area, Providence, Warwick. We're up over 3 feet of snow for the city of Providence. This goes down as the biggest snowstorm on record. Wild to say that. Those records go back to almost 1900 for Providence. So the storm continues to find its way farther off to the north and east. You saw some of these mega wind gusts, and the snow continues. Rhode Island, we're still adding to those all-time numbers. Coastal parts of Massachusetts, Cape Cod and the islands. Nantucket, we saw some of those brutal wind gusts. And with the proximity to that area of low pressure, we're not done with the wind just yet.